guys, Chappell Roan, the Subway. Not Eat Fresh, just the Subway. Different advertising. We don't want to do that. Cool. So the intro part, we've got B flat, G minor 7, C minor, F. So for the intro, we're just going to pretty much outline those chords with this little melody that goes like that. And then you do the same thing for the next one. And it changes, you just outline these chords. Yeah, then we got the verse, which is exactly the same chords, but just played a little different. What's called inversions. So we were playing up here before, and now we're playing down here. And we're just gonna hold these for the bar. So what do we got? That first part, which is I saw your green hair, beauty mark next to your mouth, there on the subway. I nearly had a breakdown. Cool. So that's what that is. So we got, B flat. Then you keep that same position, just change the bass. That becomes a G minus 7. And then we got a C minor. And then we got an F7. Spicy. So you're gonna do that for the whole verse. Then we got like, I'd say, what would be the chorus? 'Cause it's not over. Cool. So we got what it's saying is an E flat major, add 2. I would say, so you're doing that, the E flat, and then you're adding this F, which it's saying add 2, but I would call it an add 9. Fight me. No, I love you. I would call it an add 9, technically. But that is going to be your chord. And then we got a B flat. Actually, yes. I'm going to play those slightly different though. Play it up here, and then we just move the F. Like that. So you got the melodies like, yeah, so you're just gonna kind of strum it like this, even though it's not a guitar. And then we got post-chorus. So our right hand is going to be this E flat, which then goes to an E flat minor. So you're just changing that one note, major to minor, to then a B flat. So, but in your left hand, you're just going to keep on this B flat. Then the minor. It's all over a B flat, and then you get that B flat. Nice resolve there. So What is it? Till I don't look for you on the staircase. I wish you thought that we were still soulmates. What's the next lyrics? Yeah. Still counting down all of the days till you're just another girl on the subway. Something like that. Yeah. And then you're back to verse 2, which is back to these bad boys. What we were doing at the start. These ones, yeah. So you do all that, same sort of thing for verse 2. Exactly the same. And then we got that E flat. Add 9. I'm saying 9. I don't care. Sorry, that was... just outlining that melody. Yeah. 'Cause it's not over till it's over. Then we got these ones again. Do that 4 times. So yeah, that's 4 times, as in you will do that 4 times. Nice. And then you've kind of got like an outro, which goes back to those same verse chords again. And you're just doing that for the outro. Sing along to that and you got it. Nice. Good luck.